Hello everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial. In today's video, let's learn how to fix VPN connection problem in Super VPN. So here we start the video. First of all, go to the settings, then scroll down to apps, tap on manage apps. Here scroll down to search for Super VPN. Okay, so tap on Super VPN. Here you'll have option of clear data. Tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache. Clear all the cache. And again clear all the data. And here you can go to app permissions and allow different permissions here. Okay. So after that, your VPN connection problem will be solved. I hope this video is helpful to you guys. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.